So good morning guys. Today I am going to discuss one more topic of DBMS, which is equality of FD sets. What do you mean by equality of FD sets? So we have given A and B two FD sets, right? What we have given? We have given here A and B two FD sets, right? A and B two FD sets, and the question is asking whether this A and B FD sets are equal or not, right? Whether this A and B FD sets are equal or not. So what to do in such type of question? So for finding A and B FD sets are equal or not, if and only if first condition is what A covers B and second condition is what B covers A. A covers B and second condition is what B covers A. Now what do we mean by A covers B? Right, what do you mean by A covers B? A covers B means what? Every FD of B set must be member of A set. What? Every FD of B set must be member of A set. Then we can say that A covers B, right? And B covers A means what? Every FD of A set must be member of B set. Every FD of A set must be member of B set. Then it is called what? B covers A, right? Every FD of A set must be member of B set. Then it is called what? B covers A. Now in simple layman term, what you can say is that A covers B means what? A is superset of B. What? A is superset of B means what? Whatever will be the present in B, if all over the item also present in A, then it is called what? A covers B. And B covers A means what? B is superset of A. This means what? Whatever be the item contained in A set, if all the item also present in the B set, then it is called what? B is superset of A, or you can say B covers A, right? B covers A, right? So after finding A covers B and B covers A, what we do here, we will come on this table and we will see according to this table whether A and B are equal or not. So first condition, what? If A covers B is true and B covers A is true, this means what? A is equal to B. What this means in actual term? Let's say A covers B means what? All over the item present in B also present in A, right? And B covers A means what? Whatever the item present in A also present in B, right? This means what? When all over the item present in B is present in A and all over the item present in A is present in B, this means what? A is equal to B. If both, let's say in the set term, you say in the set term, what you will, when you will say A and B sets are equal, means what? If both contain same number of item and if both contain same elements, right? Then this means what? If both contain same number of item and if both contain same element, this means what? A is equal to B. The same here coming, A covers B and B covers A is true, this means what? A is equal to B. Now if A covers B is true and B covers A is false, right? If A covers B is true and B covers A is false, this means what? A is covering B means what? Whatever the item present in B, all item present in A, and B covers A is false. This means what? Whatever be the item present in A, all the item not present in the B. This means what? A contains some more item than B, right? This means what? A is what? Superset of B, right? Again, if I come here, the third condition, A covers B is false and B covers A is true. Here what? B is containing some more item. This means what? B is superset of A. And if both A covers B is false and B covers A is false, if both are false, means neither A is covering B nor B is covering it. This means both are not comparable, right? Both are not comparable, right? So for the equality of FD set, we have to do what? First we have to find A covers B, then B covers A, right? and with this table we will come on our answer, final answer, whether A is equal to B or it's a superset or it's not comparable, right? So we will see this concept with one example question in the next video. So please like, subscribe and share, and if you have any doubt, feel free to comment. I will answer. Thank you.